My dear brother, last year the works of Allama Iqbal, Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa, Asrar-e-Khudi, and the reconstruction of religious thoughts in Islam were translated and shared in Malaysia, opening new avenues for intellectual exchange between our two nations. Among these, Asrar-e-Khudi, the secrets of the self, lays down Allama Iqbal's foundational philosophy that the strength of a nation and the destiny of its people lie in the awakening of oneself, of itself. Allama Iqbal later encapsulated this very message in his immortal lines, and I'd like to translate for your kind consideration, understanding and consumption.
Read the Urdu first.
Yes, I will read. You will understand Urdu, I know that. Allama Iqbal says, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Now I'd like to translate this into English, but he can do it, in an excellent way. Would you like to let me translate it?
No, I just differently joined. और दिल की लहराई आजल की काओगी.
वाह 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 वाह. So Allama Iqbal, says to mankind, humanity, and to Muslims particularly, specifically, that raise yourself, your personal self, raise your selfhood to such heights of glory that before destiny is written, taqdeer, destiny, what Allah Almighty has in store for you in destiny, through your hard work, honesty of purpose, untiring efforts, innovation, which he has said in his script, research and development, your vision, your honesty of purpose, your compassion, your kind-heartedness, generosity, innovation, you should do all this so that, and this is called khudi. Not khudi is also in a way translated ego, not ego. That you have to personify yourself with all these virtues. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordained in Quran Kareem. And our last prophet